Hello. I'm fast approaching 1,000 subscribers, so the first thing I want to do is to say thank you very much to each and every one of you who subscribed. I hope you continue to enjoy my videos, and of course, if you've not subscribed, please do so just by clicking below this video. Now today's the day I've chosen to remove this huge conifer behind me, which I've nicknamed the Beast. Let me get a little bit closer so that you can see why I've named it the Beast. It is enormous. It towers above me, as you can see. It must be about 25 feet high. And I want to put a rose arbour down this path so it's right in the way. It completely blocks the view from the kitchen window behind the camera. So it's got to go. And the process I'm going to follow is exactly the same as the process I followed when I removed two huge conifers from the rear of the cottage last week. And you can also watch a video about that on my channel, and I'll put the link to it at the end of this video. So the process will be, I'm going to strip it bare using my large loppers and a chainsaw so that I can see what I'm dealing with. Then I'm going to undermine the roots using my grubbing hoe and a small trowel. And I'm aware that there's an electrical cable running through somewhere here, so I can't go at it with a pickaxe. When I've stripped it bare and removed all the soil, I'm going to tie it to something fixed over there, which is the direction I want it to fall. Then I'm going to slice through all the roots in a big ring round it and pull it over. It's a conifer, and I already know it won't have deep tap roots, so I'm hoping a good tug on the end of a rope will bring it down. That's the theory. Anyway, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to video the whole process and share with you edited highlights fast forward. So stick around for about 9 or 10 minutes and you can see how I get on. Let's do it. So that was removing the Beast, part one, everything above the ground, apart from these stumps here, which I've left to give me some leverage. And part two will be removing the roots and this tree stump using only a small grub hoe, a hand trowel, some large loppers, and possibly a chainsaw. And what I'll be doing is taking away all the soil, cutting through the roots, giving it a good wriggle, using these as leverage, and then pulling it out of the hole. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please do like and share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.